Welcome everyone back to the channel. In this video we will continue exploring Prince Edward Island. We will cover a scenic portion of the north shore of the island between the towns of North Rustico and Brackley Beach. We are following Prince Edward Island Route 6 eastbound, and we will pass through rolling landscapes of pastel-colored farm fields, inlets and tidal flats, and picturesque island villages along the way. Route 6 is a provincial secondary highway that runs for 68.7 kilometers across the northern shore of PEI, from the town of Kensington in the west to the village of Bedford Corner in the east, passing through or near some of the province's most popular tourist towns and destinations, including Cavendish, North Rustico, and Prince Edward Island National Park. Route 6 continues south here with a concurrency with Route 15. We will turn left, however, and follow Route 15 north towards the Brackley Beach entrance to Prince Edward Island National Park. Prince Edward Island National Park was established in 1937 and protects roughly 60 kilometers of shoreline along PEI's north coast, protecting sensitive ecosystems including sandy beaches, sand dunes, barrier islands, salt marshes, and freshwater wetlands. The sand dunes in PEI National Park are the longest dune system found in the Western Hemisphere. To continue into Prince Edward Island National Park, you need to pay the park entrance fee here, even if you just want to drive along the coastal road. It was getting late in the day and I did not want to pay the fee, so we will turn around here. We will finish the video checking out the grounds of Shaw's Hotel and Cottages, a historic inn and resort found adjacent to Brackley Beach. The inn is a National Historic Site of Canada and is the oldest family-operated inn in Canada, operating since 1860. Thanks everyone for watching. For more driving tours from Prince Edward Island and across Canada, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video. Until the next one.